All right, YouTube, we're back off grid. Let's go. All right, we're back off grid, back off in the mountains. What are you building today, honey?
Storage table for my dad's lithium batteries.
Lithium batteries. What else? And we're building a stairs. We're building a staircase custom staircase for the old man, so he can get up here and not get hurt while he's going up to his house. So that's what we got today. We're getting there. I want to show how beautiful it is out here. Back in the mountains, a little snow on top of the mountains. You can see some snow up there, up in that cross mountain up there. So, yeah, roads are doing pretty good. Roads ain't too bad. Oh. So, all right, well, next time we see you, we'll be working. So, that's today's project on today's episode.
You got to build these. Gill is a little low. Just throw some rocks under it.
Yeah. So 18. We need 3 of them at 18 and a quarter.
18 and a quarter.
Yeah. And then we're gonna build this thing. We're just gonna make rectangles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, because they want 3 steps wide.
Plan how you want to do it, so I just.
Yeah, we'll just roll with it. Yeah, it's all good. So 3 of them, and then we'll measure out what we need. So we have 1.5 inch step, and then we'll cut that. So we got a minus an 1.5 inches for the piece. So we got, the top is gonna be, we wanna be back, but we still have to have the face in the front. That's an 1.5 inches thick. So if we're at 16, let's just make it an inch, just make it easy. So 15.6 plus an 1.5 inches back. How thick is this? Okay, so 15.6 minus an 1.5 inches.
15.6
minus an 1.5 inches.
Okay, it'd be 16, 15 and a quarter.
15.6 minus an 1.5 inches would be 14.5. That's how long we need. We need 3 of those to be that long. 14.5.
Okay. So what do you want? Cut
14. Love it. And a half down, and that will be the start of our thing.
Well, it's 3.5.
Oh, 3.5, but this is an 1.5 inches.
Yeah, well, what you do is,
because remember, we got to put, this is what's going to hold the load.
yeah, like this here.
Exactly. So we'll have to measure whatever 3.5 minus an 1.5 inches, because it's still going to do this,
Yeah.
and then do this,
Yeah,
and this is going to be like that.
I put a 2x4 right across there anyway.
Yeah.
That'll block it off.
Okay, so let's do it now then. So 5 foot. The only thing that sucks is, hopefully we got enough 2x4s. We should though. solid? Try it now. Carrie. Try it now. That's solid now.
Solid. Perfect.
Perfect?
Perfect.
Okay. Gonna get these batteries, make a stand, and keep these from getting wet and easier so they can access to them and they can check on them, stuff like that, whatever they do to service these batteries. So that's what we're gonna do today, get them off the ground. We got some water coming through the ceiling and we didn't know it was leaking, then we found out it was, so we just threw this down just to keep them, but we're gonna have to get these off the ground and then maybe throw some heat tape if there's an outlet in here. Throw heat tape around the battery so that they would stay warm. And I think what we've been hearing is that these are great, but if they drop below a certain degree temperature, 32 or 30 degrees, they don't charge or something. So we're gonna try getting them off the ground. Maybe build a box, insulation, put maybe some insulation in there. Try to keep them from getting cold. It gets below, I don't know, 20 degrees, 10 degrees up here. So that's the scene for today. And first things first, I gotta take apart these batteries. So, you know what? Let's make this easier. Let's see what size these are. How did I know? Let's do this. Let's make this easy. And let's not make it complicated. It's all the power's off, right? Before I die. Breaker's off. I should turn that breaker off. Just in case. Panel load. Yeah, let's turn all of it's off. Let's just keep it off before I blow myself up, huh? Ugh. Alright. Well, we got it. We got it. Now I gotta put these big ass batteries and stick them up there. Alright, it's done. Little stand, quick little off the grid stand. It's done. Still got to do a review on this tool belt, and I finally upgraded. I bit the bullet and got me the Occidental, the Badger. Yeah, they teamed up, so I still got the original before he was Occidental, but I bit the bullet and went and got it. It's just a better bag, just better. You can fit better stuff in here. So I still got to do a review on these. I've been using these for almost a year, so I'll do a review on that. I still got to do a review on that tool bag. All right, guys, that's it. We are done. Now it's time to go watch the Super Bowl. You guys be safe out there. Have a good time. See you on the next one.